Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to do a simple nail tutorial. I do my nails all the time, so first I start off by separating the ones that I want to use. I've been trying to use up the nails that I've already taken out of boxes. I do have quite a collection, so before I open up any new ones, I'm trying to use up the ones I already have. So after I separate them, I lay them out like this so I can decide on which ones I want to use. And then I start off by fitting them on my nails so that I can find the one for each nail. I like to go a bit smaller just because I like a more elegant look, so I don't care if the sides show too much. Then I lay them all out and I get my glue ready. I got them out for both hands. I'm going to clip my nails down. And then I'm going to file them down. It's good to always make sure that you prep your nails first. And now I'm just wiping my hands off with an alcohol prep. I'm going to open my glue. And these are some like sticky tabs. They come in all the Kiss nails that I buy. I don't always use them, but I do like to use them when I want the nail to stay a bit longer. With these, they can stay up to 2 to 3 weeks. And I just go through and pick out the correct size for each of my fingers, or for my nails. And get them all, and I put them all on. I have tiny fingers, so I try to get the petite nails, but sometimes they're hard to find, so. Once I do that, I go back and I clip off the top that hangs over, because if you leave that on there, it's going to be ugly underneath the nail because so much stuff is going to stick to that tab, that little sticky tab there. So I prefer to just clip that top part off. Anything that's hanging over, I clip off. I ended up not liking the edit that I used for the video, but I do that a lot and then I don't post, so I just decided to keep it so that I can change that so that I can start posting. Now I'm pulling off the top part of the sticky tab. There's a top part that you need to pull off, and then I put glue on my nail on top of it. Even though it is sticky, I'm going to add glue. I'm going to add glue to my nail and to the fake nail as well, just to give that maximum hold. Like I said, it'll last 2 to 3 weeks. And then I put the nails that I picked out for each nail and just hold it down. And I continue to do that for the rest of the nails. I will upload more nail videos, and I will get better at making them and where to put the camera and stuff like that. I do my nails all the time, so. this video is probably going to go up on Thanksgiving Day. So happy Thanksgiving to everybody that celebrates Thanksgiving. And I have some other videos that I've been working really hard on that will be coming out. And I'm going to try to upload a lot for Christmas. I can't do every day, but I'm going to do as much as I can. And that's it. That's how I do them. And they look so nice. I get compliments all the time. And we're going to do the other hand. I'm going to put them all in here, and like magic, they're done. I really like the nails that I picked out. These nails did not come in the same box. They're just nails that I had from several different boxes. Please give this video a thumbs up, guys. I love you all so very much, and I will see you again really soon.